What's up, it's your boy B. I'm back with another video which is very interesting for you guys. I'll be drawing young stunna using Photoshop, you know what I'm saying? So please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. You know what I'm saying? I feel good right now, you know what I'm saying? There will be a whole lot of content coming along, so please join the family, you know what I'm saying? Join the family. But right now though, I'm gonna leave you guys with this incredible artwork that I did of young stunna, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, please stay tuned. It will be a fast forward video with some music as well, because I tried to record it. You know, this is SA load shedding hit, boom, and then when it hits we have to, you know, but luckily I was recording my screen. So yeah, I hope you guys going to enjoy the video, and please don't forget to share the video and hit that like button, and do the most on the comment section. You can tell me who you would like me to draw next, you know what I'm saying? You could go wild on the comment section. But anyways, peace out, just enjoy.